The Sony Xperia R1 Plus features an HD display with seamless loop surface design and an octa-core processor. This lets you get comfortable one-hand grip and enjoy high-definition entertainment or gaming on the phone. You can choose from two color options, silver and black. This phone has a 3GB RAM and a 32GB internal memory, which can be expanded up to 256GB. The Xperia R1 Plus has two dedicated nano SIM slots that supports 4G Volt capability. The phone has a separate dedicated micro SD slot. The smartphone features a 5.2-inch HD screen for a pleasant viewing experience. The Xperia R1 Plus has a 13MP XNOR-R sensor rear camera with predictive autofocus and unique modes such as portrait, landscape, sports, macro and night to capture all the images in fine details. An 8MP front camera with wide-angle view helps take great selfies and group pics easily. The Xperia R1 Plus runs on Android Oreo and features a 1.4 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 octa-core processor, which allows multitasking as well as gaming. This phone is powered by a 2620 mAh battery. The handset comes with a charger, earphones, a screen guard and manuals. The phone is made available through various EMI options, net banking and debit or credit card payment.